Hello everyone, welcome to this video on price commentary for the rest of the week. So I just recorded a video almost a 10 minute long, and then I noticed I was recording on mute, so I had to redo the entire video from the start. So actually this is kind of annoying because I have to say this almost the same thing I've said in the previous video and drop all the details and everything, which is kind of a little bit frustrating. So let's get into it. I like to keep it very short and straightforward. Last week I've talked about price providing some sort of feedback into premium arrays, okay, preferably displacement and retracement into a discount PDRE before taking a long setup, because last week if you watch the video I sent out for commentary on price, our anticipation was continuation to the upside, which means our bias is bullish for the rest of the entire week. So I took three trade setup last week, which three were longs. I took the first one, I got 3R, and then the second one I got stopped out, which is a bit unfortunate, and this is the third one, the one you're seeing currently on the screen. So last week, just like I've mentioned, displacement, retracement, PDRE, got in long here, stop loss below the fair value gap, and target this high. That's a quick 3R. So, and also last week something kind of happened. When price is given a one-sided move, most of the times it doesn't really give deep retracement into discount PDREs. I took a long at the premium level. I think it was a one of fair value gap. I took a long which is at the premium, and then I got stopped out, which is a bit unfortunate. I know most of you guys will be wondering why I took a long, because I talk most of the times when taking a long, you are to long at the discount level. That's where most of the high probability trades are. If you're looking to be a buyer, you're looking to buy at a discounted level, not at a premium. Okay, so the reason behind that is actually simple. I'm not anticipating a lot of deeper retracement into discount when price is crazy most of the times, and then it turns out I was wrong and I got stopped out, which is completely okay and natural. And that's the reason why I got stopped out on the trade position. So going into this week, my anticipation still remains bullish. I'm anticipating a lot of bullish price action because, like I mentioned, the downward price delivery we had clearing out these lows were just run on stops to scare out retail and just run on liquidity for more bullish price action. This is my thesis on price, what I strongly believe in, and my overall trajectory on price is actually bullish, looking to be a buyer, and any form of retracement I will be looking to capitalize on long and to take in more long positions. So this week is simple. I'm looking for a continuation. So I'm looking at the trade setup, the one you currently see I'm in already. Okay, we had a displacement and then retracement into a fair value gap, a discount fair value gap. And most of the times I said this: when you're looking to be a buyer, you're looking to buy at a discounted level, at a discounted PDRE. That's where most of the high probability trades are. I've done this like 1,000 times. I trigger a lot of trades, and this is mostly my A plus setup. And the reason behind it is simple. Okay, displacement into in direction of our draw liquidity, which is bullish, and then a retracement. You anticipate price to create a fair value gap while displacing, and then for price to retrace into the fair value gap for continuation for longs. And this is exactly the reason behind this execution. And I'm holding this for a 4R trade setup. So most of the times when I have setup like this, I used to capitalize. I used to go a little bit heavy, to risk 2% or even more, depending on how I am up for the week. Because what I usually do, I create a buffer before risking. I don't just risk my capital. I have to make profit and then risk what I make for actually more big I get. So this week, just like I said, I'm anticipating continuation to upside, preferably to 5k per ounce on gold ton. So this is it for this week. For economic calendar, let's take a look at our schedule for economic calendar. Okay, let's take Forex Factory real quick. Okay, from here, and also calendar. We have two economic releases going to keep in mind. Okay, CPI on Friday by 8:30, GDP Thursday 8:30, and so this is basically it for this week's schedule on the economic calendar. Hopefully this is good, and make sure you like and subscribe. And also I do share a lot of trade ideas on my Telegram channel. Make sure you join. Okay, so this is the end, and God bless.